Hello, yes, you can use any code from any of my tutorials to make a game, commercial or otherwise. That's kind of the whole point. Obviously don't try and resell my code as is, as like a tutorial or educational product or whatever, but you can use it to make games. That's the entire point. That's why I make this stuff. I don't make it to then say, you can't actually use that. That would be very pointless. As for the art assets that come with things like my ARPG series and my complete platformer, things that I've created that go along with certain series, yes, you technically can use them, commercial or otherwise, but don't. It's a bad look. It's very, very obvious. My tutorials are fairly popular. It's quite recognizable when someone has simply used assets from a tutorial. My art isn't even necessarily very good, and it'll make it kind of hard for you to stick to a cohesive style. So yes, you technically can, but just don't. Just make your own stuff. If you've watched Feedback Friday, all you need to do, is be cohesive, stick to a style, and I guarantee your art will look way better than if you just grab a bunch of free assets and fling them together. It'll look way more cohesive. Even if you're just scribbling stuff in paint, it'll look better, trust me. I just thought I'd make this video because I get a weirdly large number of emails and comments about this sort of thing, so there you go. Have fun!